Hey,
How's it going?
how is it going? Hey, good.
Mike, right?
Mike, right?
Yeah, I'm Ben.
I'm
Work
Ben.
for Jules.
I'm look for work for Juice. I know. Look, I don't want to make you feel uncomfortable, but I just happened to have looked out the window, and it appeared you were drinking something from a paper bag. Why don't you tell her you can't drive her today, or I'm gonna have to.
We all good?
We're good? Yeah. Jules, I'm sorry to do this, but I am actually not feeling so hot. I'm not sure I should be driving.
Sure.
No, you should take off. Thanks. I'm happy to cover for Mike.
That's okay, Becky can drive.
That's okay. Becky came back me.
I hope you don't mind.
I hope you don't mind if I don't get.
I mean, I could get in the front, but
No.
This is perfect.
This is perfect. Yeah.
We're finally putting the hours in.
you know I haven't slept. Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, how we think about him is he's love him a lot.
Mark Zuckerberg. You can just pull up.
Don't worry. I'll be here.
Don't worry, I'll be here.
I think you're good to eat today.
Should I pick you up some soup?
Should I pick you up some sushi?
No.
Should I pick you up some sushi?
I'm good. Actually,
I actually kind of nauseous. So.
That was fast.
That was
not
fast.
fast enough.
Oh, I picked you up some soup from a place I
You
know.
really didn't have to do.
Oh my god, that smells so good. Good.
Word travels fast.
Pretty short meeting.
Yeah, I hated him.
Really? What happened?
I thought he was a condescending, sexist know-it-all who did not seem to get what we do at all. As soon as he got the chance. Oh, and see you in the AM?
See you in an AM.
I just wanted to say thank you for helping out with Mike today and for getting me chicken soup. Oh, and for cleaning that mess. That was awesome. Seriously.
That was awesome. Seriously. You're welcome.
It's okay.
It's okay. I really want bite.
You
You start this business all by yourself a years and a half ago, and now you have a staff of 220 people. Remember who did it?
Oh,
Who did that? You started this business.
You're very welcome.
You are very welcome.
it's okay. I really won't bite.
You start this business all by yourself a year and a half, and now you have a staff of
Remember who did that?
220 people. Remember who did that? Remember who did that? Remember who did that? You started this business all by yourself a year and a half ago, and now you have a staff of 220 people. Remember who did it? Remember who did that?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I hate to say
And I had to
try to get some sleep.
try get some sleep. Try get some sleep.
Every other day.
We do.
Oh, how was your meeting? Today, right?
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, Fiona.
Ben Whitaker.
It's Ben Whitaker from about the feed.com.
It's good to hear your
Good
voice.
to hear
Oh,
your
it's good to
voice.
hear your
Oh, it's good to hear your voice too.
Meeting you today.
I called you
I
quicker.
called you quicker than you thought I would.
I'm glad you did. Great meeting you today.
I called you quicker than you thought I thought I would.
It's good to hear your voice.
Oh, it's good to hear your voice
Great
too.
meeting you today.
I called you quicker than you thought I would. Thought I would.
Hey Ben, it's Becky. From Jules' office?
Yeah, hey, what's up?
Jules' driver's MIA. He's not answering any of my texts. I know you drove Jules yesterday and I didn't hear any complaints. So can you pick her up this morning?
Sure.
Sure.
You know where she lives?
You,
Was there yesterday?
I was there yesterday.
Yeah.
And you're
Yeah.
hearing me, right?
Loud and clear, boss.
Okay, so be there 7:45, ring the bell, and walk away. She'll know it's you.
Ring the
Ring bell, walk
bell,
away. Got it.
walk away. Got it. Ring bell, walk away. Got it. Ring bell,
Walk away.
walk away.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Hi, you for Jules? Yeah, hi, sorry.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I will wait.
she's on
I will
call,
wait
right?
in the car.
Let's make some coffee. Could be a while. I'm Matt. Have a seat, Ben.
Have a seat, Ben.
This is Ben.
This is Ben.
Hi.
I'm playing
Hi.
Princess Memory Game.
Memory game. Oh, looks like you're about to win.
That's hysterical.
You know what an intern is?
No,
That's okay. Everyone thinks
that's okay. Everyone thinks it's hysterical.
Morning.
Morning.
It's loose. So, Maddie did it,
Okay, so
by the way. Go on, tonight.
yeah, okay. You're. Henry, you forgot your doggy. Matt seems like a terrific
Matt
guy.
seems like a terrific guy.
Oh, sorry, didn't mean
Oh,
to
sorry,
interrupt.
didn't mean to
That's
interrupt.
okay, I agree, he is.
Oh, sorry, didn't mean to
That's what
interrupt.
the other kids call Matt.
Interrupt.
Only dad in a sea of moms.
I've read about these houses.
I read about this house husbands.
It's interesting how that all.
It's interesting how that all worked just now.
They actually
They actually prefer to be called stay-at-home dads.
Oh, sorry.
Stay-at-home dads. Oh, sorry, didn't know that.
Well, it's very
Did not know that.
21st century. It's interesting how that all.
Interesting how that all worked
they actually prefer to be called stay-at-home dads.
now.
Oh,
Oh, sorry,
Did
didn't
not
know that. Not know that.
Well,
Well, it's very
real
admirable. He
21st century.
has a real 21st century father. Has a real 21st century father. Father.
He is.
He is.
They actually prefer to be called
Prefer
stay-at-home
to
dads.
call stay-at-home dad. Oh, sorry, did not know that.
Well,
Well, it's very admirable.
21st century.
He has a real 21st century father.
He actually had a great job in marketing. Stay-at-home dads.
Oh, sorry, did not know that.
Well, it's very
Well, it's very admirable. He is a real 21st century
He
father.
is. He actually had a great job in marketing, but
Century
after the
father.
job, he left to be a full-time dad.
First time dad.
Totally
He
saved our
left to
butts.
be full-time dad.
Big girl. I thought we're doing it. No, I can make it. It's not a problem. Great. Matt can respond.
wasn't going to.
Wasn't going to. Wasn't going to. Wasn't going to. Wasn't going to.
Oh,
Oh, Ben.
I want to stop by the
I
warehouse.
wanna stop by the
Green
warehouse. 480 green spot.
No,
You wanna make a right?
Hamilton to the expressway?
I think we should.
Oh, I think we should take first to Flatbush much faster.
What's the Flatbush much faster?
First to
Be.
Like 12
Flatbush
minutes,
much
please.
faster by 20 minutes and reached.
Can I try?
Can I try? Can I try?
I
I think we should take first to Flatbush much faster.
It won't be.
It won't be
By 12 minutes.
by 12 minutes at least.
Can I try?
Can I try? Can I try?
Should take fourth to Flatbush much.
Greenpoint?
Greenpoint.
No.
No. We want to make a right.
To Hamilton to the expressway.
Ninth to Hamilton to the expressway. I think we should take first to Flatbush much faster. Much faster. Much
It
faster.
won't be.
It won't be
By 12 minutes.
by 12 minutes and rest.
Can I try?
Can I try? Can I try?
Fourth to Flatbush much
I
faster.
think much faster. I think we should take first to Flatbush much faster.
No need.
No need. No need. No need. Ben. Oh,
Didn't expect this.
didn't expect this. Didn't expect it.
Can I
Can I
interest you in
try
a
to
background?
the
Oh, no,
background?
thanks. I just
Oh no,
came by.
thanks. I just came by because
Come on in.
Didn't expect this.
didn't expect it.
I like to think of it as a little bit of paradise. Can I interest you in a
Interest
background?
you in
Oh,
the
no,
background?
thanks. I
No
just came
thanks.
by.
I just came by because I found out I had to work
Then no
late.
dinner tonight.
Sorry.
Sorry. I was really looking forward to it.
Forward to it.
Looking forward to it. But I'm hoping we can.
Background?
Oh, no, thanks.
Oh no,
I just
thanks.
came by.
I just came by because I found out I have to work late.
Then no dinner tonight.
Sorry.
I was
I was really looking forward to it.
forward to it.
Looking forward to it. But I'm hoping we can pick another night. 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 But I'm hoping we can pick another night.
Do you want a background?
Oh, no,
Oh no,
thanks.
thanks.
I just came by because
I just came by because I found out I have to work
Then no
late.
dinner tonight.
Sorry. I was really looking forward to it.
But I'm hoping
But I'm hoping we can pick another night. 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 But I'm hoping we can pick another night.
Of course.
Of
Come
course.
sit down.
Come sit down.
Let me have your jacket. Just for a minute. Come on. Relax.
Come on, relax.
How about a foot massage?
during office hours.
During office hours.
Kind of the point.
During office hours. Well,
Okay.
okay.
It's already pretty good.
It's
All
so
I've done is take
pretty.
off your sock.
No one's ever done that better.
Okay.
Okay.
It's already pretty
It's already pretty good. It's already pretty good.
All I've done is take off your sock.
Oh, no one's even done that better. Well, no one's even done that better. No one once even done that better. Well, no one's even done that better. Well, no one's even done that better.
Who's ever done that better?
Done that better. Done that better.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Put your
So
hand
when would you
back.
like to reschedule?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Can't tomorrow.
Can't
What about
tomorrow.
Saturday?
What about Saturday? Good.
Oh,
Oh God, this is enormously satisfying.
Time should I
What time should I pick you up?
No?
What time should I
love
pick
daytime
you up?
dates.
lunch? Perfect.
Lunch perfect. It's sooner.
So how's it going?
So
How's
how it's
Jules?
going? How's
She
school?
works on all
Yeah, I mean she works on all cylinder
cylinders all the time.
all the
Doesn't
time.
Stop,
Doesn't
sleep,
stop,
never
doesn't
see her.
sleep, never see her eat.
Maybe it's good that I'm
Maybe it's good that I'm here, you know?
here. I
I
hope
hope I can help her.
I knew you were going to be a good guy.
Stop, doesn't sleep.
I love daytime dates.
Lunch perfect.
Lunch perfect. It's sooner.
So how's it going? How's Jules?
Yeah, I mean she works on all cylinders all the time. Doesn't stop, doesn't sleep, never see her eat.
Maybe it's good.
Maybe it's good that I'm here, you know? I hope I can help her.
I knew you were going to be a good guy. I knew it.
I knew it.
Try to relax.
Try to relax.